boy Big Brando, and currently 7 in the morning. Right now, headed to go knock out some orders. I just restocked all of the sample packs. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but the sample packs I do by myself. I buy all the transfers myself. I press all the shirts myself. I bag them up. I label them. I do everything on my own. I know that might be a shock to a lot of people. People thought I was just getting stuff for free, but I buy all this stuff. I buy all the transfers. I cut them down myself. I bag them up for everybody. Now, another thing is I recorded a whole nother vlog last week, published it on Patreon, and then it got flagged for a bunch of different reasons, but none of them really made sense. So I got to update and record a whole new vlog because the other one kept getting flagged or taken down, or I don't know what it is. So I'm headed there now, knock out some orders, knock out some sample pack orders, knock out some more footage. Oh, and people been asking for nude masks. I have no idea what a nude mask is. When people are asking, hey, can you get nude masks? I thought you guys were looking for masks with ass and titties on it. So I was telling people to just sublimate, find some sublimation masks and sublimate ass and titties on it if that's what you want to do. But they were talking about nude as in the color, like nude masks, the color nude, I guess. So one of my suppliers shot some over, and if you guys like them, I'm gonna have them on the store. I think I'll update the store within 2 days with quantities and colors and stuff like that. And I'm just finding out that nude masks are like skin colored masks, skin tone. So if you wanted to, I don't know, put a grill on it, or if you wanted to just press a small logo on it, or if you wanted to, who knows what. But these are the ones that hook over your whole face. When I get to the spot right now, I'll try them on, record it, so you guys can see what they look like when they're on a big ass face like mine. These fit my wife, they fit my daughter, they fit myself, and I do have kids masks in these same colors that fit my son. Those also come in, I think, blue and red, something like that. I think they're $3. I'll double check when I get, because I'm just kind of talking off the top right now, but I'll double check prices and all that. I'll upload everything to the store and let you guys know when they're ready. All right, so I'll turn the camera on when I get over there. All right, check it out, guys. I just got to the spot, so I wanted to show these masks real quick. That's how these shits fit. Hook over the nose and under the chin in a bunch of different nude colors. It's the other one. Then I'll pull your ears over the nose, under the chin. Here's the other one. There it is. So these are going to be up on the site soon. Not exactly sure when, but it's going to be up on the site soon. Different colors, and then I have a few different ones, and I got them in kid sizes also. So I'm gonna knock out some of these sample packs and then press up some of these t-shirts. Turn the camera on for all that shit. Check it out, man. You guys got to make up your mind whether you want transfer information or you don't. So when I was making transfer videos before, everybody wanted to know what transfer companies I use. That's why I have stuff like the sample pack, and I have stuff like the list put in place for the people that wanted that information. Now everybody was mad that I wasn't giving up any transfer companies in the videos. I wasn't showing any of the transfer companies in the videos. I wasn't talking about them. Now that I am doing it and I'm showing you guys Supacolor and Transfer Express, people like, oh man, there must be something going on because he's talking about these companies. So do you guys want the information or you guys don't? The way you got to think about this thing is YouTube shit is like a business, right? A lot of these transfer companies have the opportunity to work with myself, with any of these other content creators out here. But for myself, I'm a loose cannon. I talk a lot of shit, and maybe the shit that I talk isn't on brand with some of these transfer companies. Maybe they don't want to be associated with somebody like myself. Maybe I look a certain way, or I talk a certain way, or just the way I deliver the information probably isn't on brand with them. So they choose not to work with me. But all of these transfer companies have the opportunity to reach out and work with me. But Supacolor and Transfer Express were willing to take a risk and work with me. So that's why you see these videos about Transfer Express and about Supacolor. Even if I wasn't making YouTube videos, I would still be using these companies to print all my stuff for all my personal brands. So these are the companies that I actually use. I actually use Transfer Express hot split transfers. I actually use Supacolor wearable transfers. And there are a few other companies that I do use. Like, you'll find those companies in the list. Why don't I talk about those companies on my channel? Because I'm not going to give these companies free promotion. That's how it works. They have the opportunity to work with me. If they don't want to work with me, I'm not going to give them opportunity. I understand the value around my channel. I understand the attention around my channel. So for me to just start talking about all these transfer companies on here and sending business to these companies that don't even want to work with me makes absolutely no sense for myself. So that's why I have affiliate links with Transfer Express, Supacolor, Heat Press Nation. I have affiliate links with these companies because they're willing to take a risk and work with myself. So do those affiliate links cost you anything extra to use? No. Do they cost me anything? No. Anytime that you buy transfers through one of my links, or you buy a heat press through one of my links, I get a small commission on the back end of that. Now, that small commission is based around me bringing awareness around these products, you guys using the same exact things that I use. So that's why those things are put in place. I would encourage everybody to use anybody's affiliate links. It doesn't matter what content creator it is, myself, any of these other channels. I would encourage everybody to click those links and shop through those links, because it helps the content creator. Not only does it let us know that you guys are watching the videos, but it lets us know what kind of content you guys want to see. So if you guys are buying Signature Pros or Signature Series presses, then I can make videos about it, because I see people are actually buying these presses, and that's where the information is going to come from, is me providing it to you guys, because you guys have the same press I do. Same goes for Supacolor Transfers. If I see people are buying the Supacolor Transfers, I could continue making these videos about how to press them and troubleshooting some of the issues you might run into. Same goes for Transfer Express. What ink formulas I use, what ink formulas I like. I see you guys buying the same exact ink formulas. Now I can make videos about how to press them down, how to lay them down, how to get the most bang for your buck when it comes to gang sheets. So like I said, it would benefit content creators for you to shop through their affiliate links. It doesn't cost you anything extra. It doesn't cost us anything extra. It lets myself and the companies know I'm sending customers to them to buy the products that I'm speaking about in my videos and that I use personally. Most of you guys know this already, but I don't talk about any products that I don't use on this channel. I use Supacolor Transfers, I use Transfer Express transfers, and I use Heat Press Nation Signature Pro Press. You guys see it in all my videos, so there is no smoke and mirrors when it comes to that. So remember, there's links to all kind of stuff in my description box. All you got to do, go through the description box and you could see all the equipment I use, all the transfers I use, where my ebooks are at, where the sample pack is at, where the complaint department stuff is at. All of that is in there. Also, you could also find some cool ass graphic designers at the very bottom of the description box. These are guys that I trust, that I like their work, and that's why I put them in there. But I just don't know what they charge, so you would have to do all that yourself. So if you're looking for a graphic designer, hit them up. You guys could talk prices, you guys could talk about what you need, and they could let you know what they could provide for you. All right, hopefully this video helps you out, and don't forget the nude masks are gonna be on the site later this week. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.